What if you could put tens of thousands of dollars back into your business, just for doing what you're already doing? If you're improving products, refining processes, testing new materials, or even integrating new equipment, you might already qualify for the R&D tax credit. Most manufacturers assume R&D means lab coats and high-tech inventions. But the IRS defines it much more broadly. Things like checkmark streamlining your production line, checkmark creating custom tooling, checkmark prototyping new designs, checkmark implementing ERP or automation systems. These are all everyday activities that may qualify, without changing a single thing about how you operate. The benefit? Dollar for dollar tax savings. We're talking $20,000, $50,000, even $250,000 plus per year, depending on your activities and payroll. And for newer companies, you can even use the credit to offset payroll taxes, freeing up cash to reinvest in growth, equipment, or hiring. We specialize in helping manufacturers document, calculate, and file R&D credits accurately and audit-ready. You focus on building and improving, we'll make sure you get rewarded for it. Click the link to schedule your free R&D credit review. In just 15 minutes, we can tell you if you're eligible and how much you might be missing out on.